The GEMS Camp is an acronym for Girls Interested in Engineering, Mathematics, and Science. Our mission is to change the face of those who can access and excel in STEM studies and careers. And we do this by broadening the participation of historically marginalized groups in STEM.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. You're really not going to get this anywhere else. And it's not just growing in your educational expertise, but the kind of relationships that you form here with your mentors, with your classmates. It's not something you can get in a school setting.
So all of our programming really focuses on getting girls from Black and brown communities more engaged in STEM and helping them feel more confident.
We're always learning something new, and they prepare you for the next school year too.
In 8th grade, they taught us about exponential functions, and then we used those skills in my middle school. So I was ahead of my class, and I was able to stay ahead in my algebra class.
You bond with so many people, your mentor, your friends, even people that are not in your grade group.
We've started learning about quadratic equations and how to find the vertex in parabola. We learned how to say that correctly.
We'd love to have you join the GEMS Camp. There is no other camp like this around the country. We provide a holistic approach to STEM education. So this is a great program if you're looking for something to create the whole and the well-rounded child, as well as give them a career path that can be lucrative and pay off in the future.